In this video, we're exploring some amazing open source applications that can completely change the way you use your phone. Let's jump right in. First up, we have text tools. Normally, when you highlight text on Android, you only see the usual options like copy, paste, or share. But this app takes things further. It can evaluate mathematical expressions instantly and copy results directly to your clipboard. You also get powerful text transformations like decorating, reversing, removing, or repeating text. One of my favorites is the number line tool, which automatically numbers each line for better organization. It also counts characters and saves your copied text as a file. If you're working with larger documents, there's even a built-in find and replace function, so you can fix words or names without leaving the app. It's lightweight, customizable, and a really handy tool to keep around. Next, let's look at nNotes. If you love minimal, flat design, this app is perfect. It feels sleek, simple, and easy to use. Creating, editing, or deleting notes takes only seconds. You can search or sort through long lists quickly, and there's support for categories and color coding to keep everything organized. You can also attach images to notes, making previews more engaging. Plus, it comes with both light and dark themes, and even allows you to import or export your notes. Small touches like a dedicated font toggle make it one of the most polished, lightweight note-taking apps you'll find. Now, meet Memno, a link-saving application with a modern design. The interface is smooth and responsive with rounded tiles for a clean look. You can create categories and store as many links as you like, each one with rich previews including titles, descriptions, and images. You can even add personal notes to each saved link. Memno also introduces unique features like group codes, which make it easier to find categories when you have many of them. It's simple, modern, and does exactly what you need without distractions. If your gallery is full of messy screenshots, Shot Studio is here to help. This app automatically gathers all your screenshots into one place, so you don't have to dig through your photo gallery. You can organize them with tags and descriptions, or let the built-in AI handle categorization for you. What's impressive is that it can search inside screenshots for text, objects, or topics, even if you never labeled them. And since it's open source, you don't need to worry about privacy. It's the perfect way to keep your screenshots organized and accessible. Finally, let's talk about Focus, a productivity app built around the Eisenhower Matrix. Instead of clutter and distractions, it gives you a clean layout with 4 simple quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. You can drag and drop tasks into these sections, mark them as complete, and even hide finished ones to stay focused. The app is fully offline, doesn't track your data, and has no ads or subscriptions. It's quick to set up, supports light and dark themes, and helps you manage tasks in the simplest, most effective way possible. So there you have it, 5 brilliant open source apps: text tools, nNotes, Memno, Shot Studio, and Focus. Each one is lightweight, easy to use, and designed to actually make your life simpler. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing app recommendations. Thanks for watching.